Welcome back to infyGyan, my dear friends. In this video, we are going to take up another very interesting question from algebra. Log 625 base x equal to log 125 base root 5 over 5 plus root 20. Then we have to evaluate this sigma. So let's get started by simplifying this bracket first. So I will be writing here root 5 over 5 plus root 20. I can write root 5 over 5 can be written as root 5 times root 5 plus root 20 we can write root 5 times root 4. Now let us take root 5 common from the denominator. So in the bracket we'll have root 5 plus root 4, which is 2. Now root 5 and root 5 will be cancelled out. So we can write equal to 1 over root 5 plus 2. Let's rationalize our denominator. So I will multiply in the numerator denominator by root 5 minus 2. Now denominator is a plus b times a minus b. So we can write difference of two squares formula. Root 5 square minus 2 square. And numerator is root 5 minus 2. Which will give us root 5 minus 2 over 5 minus 4. Ultimate value will be root 5 minus 2. This is our base here. Let us replace. So I can write log 625 base x equal to log 125 with base root 5 minus 2. Now I will write one log property, log a with base b. Anytime we can write log a with base 10 over log b with base 10. And I will use another property, log a power b. It will be equal to b log a. So I can write my equation as log 625 over log x base is 10 equal to log 125 over log root 5 minus 2. Now I can use this property of log. So 625 it is equal to 5 power 4. 125 is 5 power 3. 5 cube it is. So I can write my equation as log 5 power 4 over log x equal to log 5 cube over log root 5 minus 2. Now using that property, I will take this power as a multiplier here and this power as a multiplier here. So I will be writing 4 log 5 over log x equal to 3 log 5 over log root 5 minus 2. Now we can divide both sides by root 5. Now I will cross multiply. So I can write here 3 log x equal to 4 times log root 5 minus 2. Now I can take this multiplier as the power of x here. Similarly, this 4 I will take as a power of root 5 minus 2. So I can write log x cube. This will be equal to log root 5 minus 2 whole power 4. Log a equal to log b, then a equal to b. So we can write x cube equal to root 5 minus 2 whole power 4. Now I will take cube root both sides. So I can write x is equal to root 5 minus 2 whole power 4 and then whole power 1 over 3. Now a power b whole power c, we know that it is equal to a power bc. So we can multiply these two powers. I will write x equal to root 5 minus 2 whole power is 4 over 3. Now 4 over 3 mixed fraction will be 1 whole 1 over 3. So I can write over here 1 plus 1 over 3. Root 5 minus 2 power will be 1 plus 1 over 3. Using exponent property, I can write it is root 5 minus 2 times root 5 minus 2 power 1 by 3. So I need to calculate this cube root first. Let me call this is our a. So x is equal to root 5 minus 2 times a. Let us write here. X is equal to root 5 minus 2 times a, where a is cube root of root 5 minus 2. So we can write a is equal to root 5 minus 2 whole power 1 over 3. Consider cubing both sides. A cube will be equal to root 5 minus 2. Now I will use Simon's favorite factoring trick. Multiply both sides by 8. So 8a cube will be equal to 8 root 5 minus 16. Left hand side it is 2a whole cube. Right hand side we will split 8 as 5 plus 3. So 5 root 5 plus 3 root 5 minus 15 minus 1. Now I can write 5 root 5, then minus 1, then minus 15, then plus 3 root 5. Now 5 root 5 is root 5 whole cube. 1 is 1 cube. Then we can write 3 times root 5 is square times 1 plus 3 times root 5 times 1 is square. So it is recalling one algebraic identity. If I will write, then a minus b whole cube, it is equal to a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square. So I can write 2a whole cube. This will be equal to root 5 minus 1 whole cube. Once I will take cube root both sides, I will write 2a equal to root 5 minus 1 for real values of a. And after dividing both sides by 2, I will write a equal to root 5 minus 1 over 2. And this value I will apply here. Let's apply. So x will be equal to root 5 minus 2 times root 5 minus 1 over 2. Now I need to multiply x equal to, denominator will be 2. Root 5 times root 5, 5, minus root 5 minus 2 root 5 minus 3 root 5 plus 2. So this value becomes 7 minus 3 is square root 5 over 2. This is our x. Now we have to evaluate sigma. So I can write here sigma x power n equal to 0 to infinity. So I will expand it. N equal to 0, so 1. N equal to 1, x. N equal to 2x square up to infinity. Now this is infinite GP whose sum will be first term over 1 minus common ratio, which is x here. Condition on x is mod x should be less than 1. So if we will check our x, 7 minus 3 root 5 over 2, it is less than 1. So value will converge. I will write 1 over 1 minus 7 minus 3 root 5 over 2. So I can write this will be equal to 2 over minus 5 plus 3 root 5. Now I will rationalize my denominator. So I need to multiply 3 root 5 plus 5 and 3 root 5 plus 5 in numerator also. So denominator will be a plus b times a minus b. So denominator will be 3 root 5 whole square, which is 45, minus 5 whole square, 25. Numerator is 2 times 3 root 5 plus 5. Now denominator is 20. Let me write here sum s equal to 2 times 3 root 5 plus 5 over 20. We can cancel 20. It will be 10 in the denominator. So our answer for sum, it would be 3 root 5 plus 5 over 10. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck and take care of yourself. Bye bye.